So the first we have बातों को घुमाओ मत. Don't play with the words. Don't play with the words. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? मुझे सच बताओ. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. चलो वहाँ चलते हैं. Let's go there. Let's go there. बाद में मिलते हैं. See you later. See you later. क्या तुम व्यस्त हो? Are you busy? Are you busy? क्या तुम फ्री हो? Are you free? Are you free? मुझे एक मौका दो. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. ज़्यादा मत बोलो. Don't speak over. Don't speak over. मुझे थोड़ी देर हो गई. I am a bit late. I am a bit late. थोड़ी शर्म करो. Have some shame. Have some shame. उस बात को छोड़ो. Let it be. Let it be. ये सब तुम्हारी करनी है. It's all you're doing. It's all you're doing. उसे घर छोड़ दो. Drop him home. Drop him home. मुझसे गलती हो गई. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. बस थोड़ा सा और. Just a little more. Just a little more. उससे माफ़ी मांगो. Apologize to him. Apologize to him. मेरे पास समय नहीं है. I don't have time. I don't have time. ये सही नहीं है. It's not right. It's not right. मुझे काम करने दो. Let me work. Let me work. इसका स्वाद कैसा है? How does it taste? How does it taste? उसकी तरफ मत देखो. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. जल्दी वापस आना. Come back soon. Come back soon. तुमसे किसने कहा? Who told you? Who told you? तुमने क्या खरीदा? What did you buy? What did you buy? तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो. You are lying. You are lying. बस इसे कर दो. Just do it. Just do it. ये तुम पर है. It's up to you. It's up to you. ये तुमने किया. You did this. You did this. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. तुम समझे नहीं. You didn't understand. You didn't understand. आप जवाब क्यों नहीं देते? Why don't you answer? Why don't you answer? मुझे ये बात पता नहीं थी. I was unaware of this. I was unaware of this. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Now it's time for quiz. Number 1. मुझसे गलती हो गई. Number 2. मेरे पास समय नहीं है. इन दोनों सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं एंड साथ ही अपना वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक देना ना भूलें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.